Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the mini maker box, and this is from Nicola's Craft Shop. And this is basically a box which is going to be released each month, and it contains a themed selection of hair bow supplies, and it is relevant to that particular month. So for example, last month we were all working on those back to school hair accessories. So last month's box was back to school. And now we are in August, so we are now working on those summer themed hair bows. So this box contains summery themed hair bow supplies. The cost of this box is £10 plus postage and packaging, and there is an option to subscribe as well. Now this month's box did sell out within 1 hour of being released on the website, and as a subscriber you are guaranteed to get a box each month. So if you are interested in subscribing for next month's box, get in touch with Nicola at nicolascraftshop.co.uk. You can send her an email, or you can just pop her a message on social media, and she will pop your name on a list and she will get in touch with you as soon as the next month's box is ready. So let's have a look in our August mini maker box. As you can see, we've got a gorgeous summery selection of hair bow supplies here, and you've even got your glue sticks and your hair clips. You've basically got everything that you need to make a hair bow. The only thing you really need is your glue gun to go with your glue sticks. Now the first thing that caught my eye when I opened this box is this stunning little clay. Isn't she cute in her little bikini with her little floaty in her hand? She's gorgeous. I can't wait to use her. And you've got this lovely vibrant yellow headband, which will look really cute along with this clay. We've got 5 mini glue sticks, and the hair clips, you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and these are 45mm toothed clips. We've got 2 bow loops. Girls just want to have fun with a lovely yellow and pink flowery pattern on the other side. And this one here, a summer party themed loop, which has got a little unicorn in his floaty. You've got some hair bow cards, and again these are a summery themed, and these would look really cute with these bow loops because they match. You've got the little unicorn with his heart sunglasses, and it's the same unicorn on these bow cards, so these bows will look really cute on these cards. The line here is where you can cut down to make a slit to clip your hair bows on, or if you're making a headband you can sort of loop it around twice to hold it on there. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hair bow cards, and then we've got our A5 fabrics. These are all A5 size, and again these are all to the set theme, which is the summery theme, and these have been selected to match because these fabrics all complement each other and they all complement the clay as well. So it makes it really easy just to get the box open and put everything together, because you don't have to look at fabrics and match all the colours because all the work has already been done for you. So the first fabric is this really smooth leatherette fabric, and it is lovely and thick. It's got a gorgeous soft backing on there, and you've got this unicorn, ice cream and lollipop print. And then we've got this floral print. Again, it's a soft leatherette with that thick soft backing. It's really good quality fabric. And then we've got this chunky lilac glitter. Look at the shimmer on that, isn't that beautiful? Again, it's a lovely thick quality fabric. We've got this purple leatherette, and it is a textured leatherette. Again, a lovely thickness, a soft backing on there. And then we've got another textured leatherette, and this time we've got a text print on there, and it says girls just want to have fun, and also the word sun on there as well. And I think this will go really well with this little clay because you've got the pinks and the yellows in here. And then our last piece of A5 fabric is this fine glitter. Now, although this is a fine glitter, it's actually a really nice thickness. It's got a lovely backing on here, which makes it a lot thicker than the normal fine glitters. So there would be no need to back this with felt to thicken it up or anything like that, because it would hold a really nice shape. And like I said before, this has all been colour coordinated for you. So if I lay these out, as you can see, these all complement each other. So you could pair this with this lovely lilac glitter, you could pair it with this lemon fine glitter, you could pair it with the purple, and then you've got this floral printed fabric. This would also pair with any three of these plain fabrics. And the same with this printed fabric, it would pair with any of these three fabrics. So most of the hard work has been done for you. The hardest decision is deciding what we're going to use first. So I'm going to have a little think now about what I'm going to make, just to show you an example. And then at the end of this video, we will have a look at all the fabrics and try and get a rough idea of how many bows we could make using the contents of the mini maker box. So these are the items that I've chosen to use from the mini maker box today. The only thing I need to add from my own supplies is my hot glue gun and my own hair bow templates. And everything that I use, including the hair bow templates and the mini maker box, I will link everything in the description below this video so you can check those out. So let's get making. And there is my first hair bow made from the contents of the mini maker box. The only thing I used of my own supplies was obviously my hot glue gun, my hair bow templates, and I did decide to add a little pink centre strip to the middle, just because I thought, well, her bikini is pink and I just wanted to bring the colours of her bikini out, and I thought that looked really nice in the centre there. So we've got this gorgeous combination of those summery colours. Now if I have a look at the box at what we've got left, so if I show you my Beauty Bow template loops, which make a 3.5 inch bow, you could get 1, 2, around 4 of those on one of these sheets. So I would say if you were making full bows with the loops and the tails, just single layer ones, you would get a good 15 hair bows out of this. Or if you make bows like I have with 2 layers, and obviously I've even doubled up the tails, you would probably get around sort of 8 to 10 bows out of this box. So that is really good value for money for £10. I hope you enjoyed looking at the mini maker box with me today and making this gorgeous hair bow with the contents. Don't forget, if you want to guarantee yourself a box, get in touch with Nicola to get on the list and she will let you know when the next box is available. If you enjoyed this video today, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you press the bell button, that will turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.